Hey there guys, I'm Crowe, the travelling scientist. And guess what? I'm going travelling. That's right, I'm off on an epic adventure to Vietnam. But before I go, let me show you what I've been up to over the last few weeks here in Australia. So that's been heaps of fun, but now I'm heading off to Vietnam for the month of March, where I'm going to be jumping on a motorcycle and riding across the country. Just do me a favour and don't tell my mum. She doesn't really know yet. Anyway, so I'm flying into Hanoi, where I'm going to pick up a motorbike and ride up into the mountains of northern Vietnam. After a few days up in the hills, I'm going to cruise back down along the coastline, through Hoi An, and then down and around to finish up in Ho Chi Minh. So that's the plan, guys. I'm really excited. It's going to be an epic trip around Vietnam. I'm going to make some awesome videos along the way about sustainability and energy sources in Vietnam. I think I'm going to do a video about food poisoning when you're traveling and how to avoid it, because it can really ruin a trip. And I guess I'll just see what I find along the way, make some videos about what I discover while I'm traveling through Vietnam. And the last thing I've got to figure out before I go traveling is how do I fit all this junk that I need for the next month in Vietnam into this tiny little carry-on backpack. That's all the space that I've got. So the question I put to you guys is, how do you prioritize what you should take with you traveling when you've only got a few kilos of carry-on luggage? Let me know what you think in the comment section down below. Keep an eye out for those Vietnam videos that'll be coming out in the next few weeks. I'll see you guys from Vietnam. Cheers.